A night vision dash cam captures clear low-light footage, improving driving safety and providing reliable evidence after accidents. Today's video is about top 5 best night vision dash cams that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Rove Night Vision Dash Cams. The Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam is an excellent choice for drivers who want reliable front and rear protection. It records stunning 4K footage from the front camera and crisp 1080p video from the rear, with wide viewing angles that capture more of the road. The Sony STARVIS 2 sensor and bright f1.5/f1.8 apertures deliver impressive clarity, especially during night driving. Built-in dual-band Wi-Fi allows fast video downloads to your smartphone through the Rove app, making it easy to review and share recordings. Integrated GPS logs your speed, route, and location for added evidence when needed. Advanced features like loop recording, G-sensor, motion detection, emergency video lock, and customizable 24/7 parking mode enhance everyday security. The package also includes a free 128GB microSD card and all essential installation accessories, making setup simple. Overall, it's a feature-rich dash cam that offers outstanding video quality, smart connectivity, and dependable performance. Now our second product is Suvkin Night Vision Dash Cams. The triple dash cam is a practical solution for drivers who want complete coverage inside and outside their vehicle. Its 3-channel setup includes a 170 degrees front camera, 150 degrees cabin camera, and 150 degrees waterproof rear camera, helping reduce blind spots and capture every important moment. The built-in G-sensor automatically detects impacts and locks critical footage, while the parking monitor provides added protection when your car is unattended. Loop recording ensures continuous operation by overwriting older files when storage is full, and the included 32GB SD card lets you start recording right away. HDR technology and 4 infrared LEDs deliver clear, balanced footage during both daytime and nighttime driving, making it ideal for rideshare drivers and everyday commuters alike. Installation is quick and hassle-free with its plug-and-play design, and the simple controls make daily use easy. Overall, this dash cam offers dependable performance, useful safety features, and excellent value for everyday driving. Our third product is Red Tiger Night Vision Dash Cams. The Red Tiger F7 NP Dash Cam is a dependable choice for drivers seeking high-quality front and rear recording. It captures ultra-clear 4K video from the front and 1080p from the rear, while the STARVIS 2 sensor, f1.5 aperture, and WDR/HDR technology deliver excellent image quality in both daylight and low-light conditions. Built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connects seamlessly with the Red Tiger Cam app, allowing fast downloads, GPS playback, and easy camera management from your smartphone. Loop recording ensures uninterrupted recording by replacing older files when storage is full, and a free memory card lets you start using the camera immediately. The 24/7 parking mode and G-sensor provide extra protection by recording and locking important footage when impacts are detected. Its supercapacitor design offers greater durability and heat resistance than traditional battery-powered models. Overall, the Red Tiger F7 NP combines premium video quality, smart features, and reliable performance, making it an excellent investment for everyday driving and road trips. Now number 4 is Zigbee Night Vision Dash Cams. The Zigbee D65 4-channel dash cam provides comprehensive 360 degrees coverage, making it an excellent choice for drivers who want maximum protection. Its 4K front camera and 3 adjustable 1080p cameras record the front, rear, left, and right sides simultaneously, helping eliminate blind spots. The included 64GB memory card and loop recording ensure continuous recording, while the built-in G-sensor automatically locks important footage after a collision. Dual-band 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and the Vidger app make it easy to view recordings, track routes, download videos, and share evidence directly from your smartphone. Night driving is enhanced with WDR technology, an f1.6 aperture, and 8 infrared LEDs that produce clear, balanced footage in challenging lighting conditions. The 24-hour parking mode adds extra security when your vehicle is unattended, hardwire kit required. With simple installation, an 18-month warranty, and responsive customer support, this dash cam offers impressive features and dependable performance for everyday driving. And our last choice is Cool Crazy Night Vision Dash Cams. The 4K UHD front and rear dash cam is a feature-packed option for drivers who value safety and reliable recording. It captures ultra-clear 4K front and rear footage with wide-angle lenses, while the 60 frames per second recording ensures smooth, detailed videos that clearly capture license plates and road signs. The STARVIS night vision sensor and WDR technology deliver impressive clarity in low-light conditions, reducing glare and improving visibility during nighttime or rainy drives. A built-in G-sensor automatically locks important footage during collisions, and loop recording with the included 128GB storage keeps recording continuously without manual file management. GPS tracking records your route, speed, and location, while 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables fast video transfers and easy sharing through your smartphone. The 24-hour parking monitor provides added protection when your vehicle is parked, with the required power setup. Easy installation, durable construction, and dependable customer support make this dash cam an excellent choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.